most of today new for Golden Gate. Okay, only Charan I think I attended 2 classes. Rest all are new. So shall I start from beginning or because today plan was to troubleshoot Golden Gate. So please advise. Can we start from beginning or do you want to? I can continue with the troubleshooting of Golden Gate process.
Shahik, better if you would start from the beginning. In fact, no need to explain everything in the beginning. You just cover the
Overview.
basic process, replicate and everything.
Okay, just I will give the process. Okay. So everyone know use of the Golden Gate. Golden Gate is a replication tool. Okay. So it is used for replication. So we will discuss only some process. Okay. I will not go in detail. So in the Golden Gate we have some process: extract process, manager process, server collector, remote trail file, replicate process. So some of the processes are running on source database, some are running on target database. So in from the source database, extract process will extract committed data and store in local or remote trail file. So from remote trail file, server process will collect. This is the background process, and replicate process read the remote trail file and apply on target environment. These are the basic workflow from source to target environment. So, so here is the example: extract process capture transaction data from transaction log. Extract process send data across TCP/IP network to target database. So extract process is main process in source environment. It will read transaction file, means redo log file in case of Oracle, and it will store in local trail file. On the target environment, server collector process reassemble and write data to Oracle Golden Gate remote trail file. Replicate process, which is running on target environment, so it will read trail file and apply all data on target database. So manager process is just like a controlling and monitoring all other process. If any other process will abandoned, so it will start manager process. Manager process will start other process. So manager process will run on both source and target environments. So in Golden Gate, there is a two type of workflow. One is a without data pump, which we have already explained. Other is a with data pump. Data pump is a optional extract process. Okay. In this case, what will happen? Extract process will read transaction log. In case of Oracle database, it will read redo log file and archive log file. It will store data in trail file. A data pump will read data from trail file and transfer to remote trail file with the help of server process. In target environment, what will happen? Replicate process will read remote trail file and apply data on target environment. Okay. Stack process capture transaction data from transaction log. Stack process write local Oracle Golden Gate trail file. Secondary process, which is called data pump, send data across network to target environment. On the target environment, server collector process reassemble and write data to Oracle Golden Gate remote trail file. A same replicate process read the trail file and apply data to target database. Manager process in same case in both environment source and target, it will control other process. Okay. So these are the basic example of, I will tell you only basic because okay. These are the basic concept. From 11G to 11G onward, Golden Gate introduced new feature called integrated stacked and classic stacked. So nowadays only integrated stack process is implemented. So it is used for the multi-threaded environment as well. It support more data type. So we have already discussed classic environment. Classic environment same. Capture means extract process will read committed data and store in trail file. Okay. So trail file is a simple text file. Data pump is a secondary extract process, and delivery means it is a replicate process. But in case of integrated capture, concept internally will be different, because in case of integrated capture, log miner concept will be used. So other is a main concept is trail file. Okay.
Hello.
Trail are used in Oracle Golden Gate to support and continuous extraction and replication of database change. Trail can exist on the source and target system. Okay. So these are the basic configuration of extract process. Okay. When you open the parameter, because each process has their own parameter file. So if you open parameter file for extract process, these are the basic process. These are the basic parameters for extract process. So in the parameter file, we will see extract, then finance means this is the name of extract process. Then this is the username. With the help of the user, this user, Golden Gate process will log in on database and read redo-log file. After reading, it will store in this location. Okay. So this is the location of a trail file. So in trail file, we will mention whether we want table level replication or schema level replication, we can mention in trail file. So in this example, two table is getting replicated. Okay. Same other example here. Here stack name is e_hr and username is this one. So here, so same trail file location we are giving here, and in this example we are replicating schema level. So these are the basic parameter for extract process. So in extract process, we will mention what table, what schema need to be replicated. So data pump we already discussed. Data pump is a secondary extract process that will read from local trail file and distribute data to remote system. It allows a local trail file on system which is useful for recovery. So main purpose of data pump, in case of network failure, okay, there is no chance of loss of data. So data pump is useful, a safeguard against the network or target failure to break complex data filtering and transformation into phase to consolidate data from many resources. So main purpose of, otherwise we can use without data pump as well. This is a secondary and optional. So same parameter will be used in data pump as well. Okay, mostly. So here whatever we need to modify parameter, we need to use edit param, then process name. So in GGSCI environment, first we need to log in on GGSCI, then we need to use edit param. Param means parameter, then data pump name. So here we are using RMT host. RMT host means remote host. So we need to give IP and port manager port number of remote or target database. RMT trail file, okay, means remote trail file. Remote trail file will be stored in this location. We need to give this location name. Then two table is getting replicated. Okay, we need to mention in data pump as well. So data pump is same like primary extract. Okay, other main component is the replicate process. Replicate process will run on target environment. Multiple replicate process can be used with the multiple extract process in parallel to increase throughput. So in replicate process also we can use filtering, table, row and operation. So here is a basic parameter for replicate process. So same way we will edit the replicate process as well. Replicate, then replicate name, then we need to use user and password which is used to connect the database, discard file, okay. Then we can use if map command in case structure of table is different in source or target environment. In that case we can use the map keyword, okay. Even we can filter table using where clause as well. So in Golden Gate environment, these are the main process: extract process, data pump process, remote trail file, local trail file, and replicate process and manager process. So we need to know more detail about this parameter. So discard file is identify the file to receive record that cannot be processed for any reason. Record will be appended or file will be purged at the beginning of to run. So discard file means at the time of the replication, if some condition is not met, in that case that record will be stored in discard file. Manager process is the main process we already discussed. Manager process is a process which will run on the source as well as target environment. A manager process will monitor and control all other process, means extract process. In case of if it is running on target environment, it will control replicate process. So these are the sample manager parameter file. So in manager parameter file, we need to give the port number on which manager process will run. A dynamic port list. So from 9001 to 9100 we can use port for golden gate purpose. Auto start ER. ER means extract and replicate. If extract and replicate will discarded means abandoned or stop by any reason, it will start automatically. When manager will start, it will start extract and replicate process. So housekeeping of extract process, housekeeping for trail file we can mention in manager process, manager parameter file as well. So lag report, lag info minute, lag critical. Okay, so we can define this value in manager parameter file. With the help of this parameter file, manager will control other process. Purge old extract, use checkpoint. So means trail file which is located in this folder will be purged based on the condition. Okay, these are the second example of manager parameter file. We need to define the port number, dynamic port list, purge extract means this with minimum keep day 2 means after 2 days trail file will be housekeeped, deleted. Auto start ER retry 5 wait 5 minutes means every 5 minutes if other means ER means extract and replicate will abandon, so it will wait for 2 minutes and restart process. It will try 6 times. So this we can means with the help of this parameter manager can monitor other process. So these are the basic. Process file. So process file is generally used at the time of troubleshooting. So each process has their own process file. So process report, these are which parameter is getting used, table column mapping, database information, runtime message, everything will be recorded in process file. So at the time of troubleshooting, first we need to check process file. For extract, for replicate, each process has their own process report file. So we need to check. Okay, let me know if you have any doubt. Okay, these are the basic. Hello?
Hello, Anwar. This is Charan.
Yeah, tell me.
So overall in Golden Gate, how many parameter files we use for all the processes include?
Each process has their own parameter file. Means extract has their own parameter file.
And extract, I have seen.
Yeah, extract has their own parameter file. Okay. Data pump has their own parameter file. Manager is running on two source and target. So in source there is a parameter file for manager. In target there is a parameter file for manager. Okay. In manager replicate process is running. So for the replicate there is a parameter file. So each process has their own parameter file.
So mainly when we are starting Golden Gate means on the source we need to start manager, extract and data pump. Only three processes are running. Then we can say that extract is running on the source.
Yes. In target,
so
in target, replicate and manager, two processes need to be run. These are the basic.
Okay.
In source means extract and manager. In target, replicate and manager. If required, we can configure secondary extract process, that is called data pump. So in source, maybe primary as well as secondary means data pump and manager. 3 process in source and 2 process in target.
So what is the use of using integrated mode? So how it is utilizing the services of log miner.
Log miner will be used at the time of the extract only. So how
Yeah.
extract process will read, this is a concept, internal concept. Okay, log miner concept is a internal concept. So the technology, how extract process is going to read,
Yeah.
how extract process is going to read redo log file. That is internal process. So only means a data pump. It is not used for data pump. It is used for only extract process. Okay. So how internally will read redo log file. So in integrated mode, it will use log miner concept.
Okay, so log miner will be reading the logs directly in integrated mode.
Sorry, your voice is not clear.
In integrated mode, log miner will be reading online data logs directly instead of archive logs.
No, it will read archive log as well as redo log file, but concept, internal concept will be used log miner concept.
Okay. So do we have any advantage of using integrated
Yeah,
mode?
yeah, it is a new feature. It has advantage. Can be used in integrated concept as well. Okay, it use more data type, like that we are the advantage. Okay,
Like
so I
in
think
Oracle,
everyone, sorry.
in Oracle we have pfile which has all the about the database. What are the things we have? Everything we can see in pfile, right? In that, in Golden Gate, do we have any particular file to see all the things like size, arcade destination, all those things?
Yeah. So in troubleshooting we will learn. Okay, so
Okay.
so since you could not join two other session, and that's why you are confused. But anyhow, it will be covered in troubleshooting. Okay. These are the basic command. Better I will start from the basic command. So at least you will get some information from here. So these are the basic command for Golden Gate. So once you install Golden Gate on source and target, so same way we need to go in Golden Gate home location and we need to press GGSCI. Once you will press the GGSCI, you will get Golden Gate command prompt. So in command prompt, you can run Golden Gate command. So these are the basic Golden Gate command: history, info all, obey. So obey is just like batch file. Okay, if you want to run multiple commands, so we can use obey file. Info all is one of the basic command for Golden Gate. So it will give the status of all process. If extract and manager process is running on source environment, you can check from info all command. So same show command is used version view ggseVT. This is just like same to our alert log file of Golden Gate. Okay, so you everything will be recorded in this file. So we can view this using this file using ggseVT command, as well as directly we can use yeah, you can see here info all. When we run the info all on source environment, you will get all detail about process. Means here manager process is running, extract process is abandoned, the second extract process is running. So you can check process related information using this command. Other is the info manager. So with the help of info manager, you can get information related to manager only. So on which port number manager is running. Okay, so all command can be used to know the complete environment of Golden Gate. Okay, in Golden Gate we are the some basic directory. Okay, each directory has their own importance. So dir rpt means this directory is used for report file only. So if at the time of troubleshooting, you can check report file for particular process from this directory. Okay, dir prm directory, it is used to store parameter file for all process, stack process, replicate process. Every process parameter file will be stored in this location. Okay, the same way we can use other directory as well. So when we install Oracle Golden Gate, this directory will be created automatically. Info stack camp. This is a stack process name. So info extract means we need to check the status of stack process. So we can use this command. Status is running. Lag information we can get here. Integrated zero log file concept is being used. Okay, same we can use in command for the data pump as well. Data pump is also secondary extract process, so we can use same command to check status of this one. So in this data pump process is running, no log process I did this one. This data pump process is reading this trail file. This is a trail file. So currently this trail file is being read by data pump. If you want to see lag information, so we can use this command lag replicate, then replicate command, replicate name. Same if you want to see remote trail file information, we can use this command. So remote trail file is located in this location. File size is 5 MB. Okay, this sequence is stored in remote trail file. So we can use other basic command. These are the other basic command. So now we will troubleshooting of Golden Gates. So it will be disconnected in 5 to 10 minutes. So you need to reconnect again. Okay, thank you. So troubleshooting with the case study we will learn here. So for troubleshooting, these are the main file we need to check. One is ggserr log. I told you this is just like alert log file. So all